Did you like the Tiny Kingdom of Dreams project? Do you want to wish to make that huge mini album yourself? Then I have a kit for you, as always. So you get in the kit the Tiny Kingdom of Dreams paper pack. It's 78 sheets in total, 13 designs. Look at this big fat pile of paper. That comes in the kit. Of course the flower set is in it. And the big ribbon set is in it. I have 4 little tiny washi tape for you, different designs. I have that that storage thing, that wound thing for maybe a teeth or a lock of hair to store in. Of course, all the embellishments, all the beads, all the things are inside here. A little welcome note, of course, and 3 pieces of 2mm chipboard is inside. The 2 black envelopes that I use for the back cover page is inside. And the black leather look bookbinders linen for the spine is also inside. So everything is inside, as always, in every kit that I have, except for one thing. I keep saying that. The cardstock, the basic cardstock, is not included. You can choose your own thickness, your own brand, your own color. That's totally personal. I use this time Clairefontaine 160 grams plus 120 grams black, but it's all up to you. I know Clairefontaine is not be available all over the world, but please use just what you like to use. So that is not included, but for the rest, everything is inside. All right? Just send me an email if you like to have this kit sent to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.